أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed start of the week of January 25, 2021, the first full working week of our President Biden, who has the mission to really delight 8 billion residents of our planet by delighting the 300 million Americans. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I'm basically a chemical engineer, food scientist, and professor of climate smart entrepreneurship. And during the lockdown, my fellow scientists, engineers, professors, entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs have developed a solution, a unique solution to combat COVID-19 pandemic and all associated pandemics with COVID-19. The solution is very simple. As a gold and diamond miner, I have developed a process of executing our global projects of building hospitality centers. Hospitality center is a combination of hospital and a healthcare center, which we are building in center of 110 home communities as part of our Wheel of Life Farm School. The beauty of this center is this, that all COVID-19 patients can be tested using Excalibur rapid test kits. Positive families are then isolated and they can get this immunity boosting food, climate smart herbal treatments, recover from COVID-19 and then duplicate this model in their countries or in their communities. So our plan is in Pakistan. We are initiating this project from Pakistan. Our plan is to build 1,000 of these healthcare centers, hospitality centers. And then we will be also duplicating this model in Egypt. Today is 25th January. It's an Egyptian day. Egypt was trying to free herself from the dictatorships. But since the end of the regime, 30-year regime of President Hosni Mubarak, still Egypt is not, economically independent. Still, it is in debt of about $120 billion. And so we want to make Pakistan, Egypt debt-free, along with Nigeria and Uganda and Sierra Leone in Africa, where we have established our SAMS TQLMA Global as a foreign direct investment company. So the model is this, that as a gold and diamond miner, I have acquired a gold mine, a Buffalo gold mine in Oregon, USA for $110 million. And we will be converting that gold mine into SAM's AMU, Aligarh Muslim University, Climate Smart Entrepreneurship University campus. and all gold miners basically, and will be global. In Africa, gold miners will be sponsoring Gamba and climate smart entrepreneurship engineers, and they will be coming to Buffalo, Oregon to learn climate smart mining technologies and then duplicate the model in the gold and diamond mines of Africa. So that is our mission, SAM's TQL global mission, to provide gold to TQL Club members at 2% discount to make sure that they enjoy inflation-free, economically vibrant life in our 110 home self-sustaining communities, which we are building presently in all the university campuses, and then eventually in all the farms and gold mines of our planet. Kyocera is a wonderful Japanese company with a mission to really help all marginalized communities of our planet. And we will be utilizing their wisdom and experience to integrate the current best climate smart technologies in our Wheel of Life Farm School campus. I'm also working with Professor Dr. John Liu, who has a mission of setting up 1,000 landscapes are available, and they want to build these self-sustaining climate smart campus towns to house 1 billion people. And I have made a mission to execute this project with agility using agile engineering in 2021. So that is a mission. And with that mission, we will be able to, really provide home to home all the homeless, and so that no one is left out. Everyone actually enjoys clean, total quality, inflation-free life. And that is our strategy and plan to combat COVID-19. As a managing director of Chalfu International, my mission is to utilize my wisdom and experience to re-engineer corporations, SMEs, and governments so that everybody can come out comfortably from the current economic crisis which everyone is facing due to COVID-19. I'm really blessed with association with wonderful ladies, Mrs. Mariam Khan, Miss Jenny Carrington, Mrs. Joanna Kerr, Angela, Professor Tomara. All these wonderful ladies are working on our mission to transform 1 billion mothers into climate smart entrepreneurs. So they are doing a wonderful job. They are in the process of engaging these ladies, and the priority now will be to train these mothers, who are in the profession of medical practice, to really operate these hospitality centers, to test all the residents of our planet, and then to isolate COVID-19 plus families and provide them with the treatment and care, which is available out there today, to make sure that majority of those COVID-19 plus patients are recovered, and then they are able to enjoy this total quality inflation-free life with us. So everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome aboard to join our vessel of entrepreneurship, to enjoy the entrepreneurship journey, and make sure that we can collectively accomplish our objective with agility. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.